Smartphone Xiaomi Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite specs leaked on the network before the official announcement. Welcome to the Science and Knowledge, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for future videos. Specs Xiaomi Mi A3 leaked to the network before the official announcement. Indian insider Mukul Sharma, who was notable for authentic leaks of photos of Xiaomi Mi Band 4, published in his Twitter blog the specifications of the announcement smartphone Xiaomi Mi A3. In addition to the data on the feeling of the device, he also announced the date of the announcement of the next novelty of the popular brand. According to the available information, the device with the code number M1906F9SC will be built on the basis of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 mobile platform. Power 18 watts. According to the early leaks, the gadget will receive 6 GB of RAM. A younger version of the gadget called Xiaomi Mi A3 Lite, an insider assigns a Snapdragon 710 processor. Both smartphones expected to run on a pure Android version without the proprietary MIUI shell. A list of other technical specifications and price of Xiaomi Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite source does not lead. The presentation of new products, according to the source, will be held in July this year. That's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Take care. Bye bye.